Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Jamie and today I am doing a Sunday reset cleaning video on how I prepare for back to school week. If you guys are interested in seeing the speed cleaning video, keep watching. So the first few things that I do is I normally dust and also I wipe down my couches with a lint roller just because I do have a pet and the dog does shed a lot throughout the house. So dusting and getting all the hair off of the couches is usually my main priority when I'm starting to clean. The next part of this video does show how I go through my kids' shoes just to make sure that anything that's too little gets placed in a separate bag so that I can donate. And then I also clean out this little area because it does get messy and a lot of dog hair does get collected over here as well. So I usually always go in with some type of Lysol or disinfectant spray to finalize the cleaning of my mat, just because as you can see there was a lot of lint, a lot of dog hair that was back there, and this just gives it that extra protection, extra feel of cleansiness. So this is the last part of the video, and it is the kitchen. I always try to make sure to have a clean kitchen at the end of the night. That way in the morning, you know, the week during school, I can have a clean kitchen to prepare breakfast or back to school lunches that I'll be showing videos on. Alright guys, so I do end out the video with washing dishes. I did actually do the floor, wipe the counters, mop. That is a part of my routine, but the camera did die, so I just left it off at this. But if you guys made it this far, thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe if you like these videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.